by 3.
Oh, so you're not going to simplify the number inside the parentheses?
Okay.
You're trying to simplify the
You
numbers
only
that are out of the
simplify
parentheses.
the subscript.
Okay.
You cannot touch this. That is the nitrate. You can't change that or you're changing nitrate. And then you're changing the whole compound.
See, I didn't know that. I thought you were trying to simplify the 3 and the 3s.
Only simplifying subscripts, as before. We're only doing what we've done before. Simplifying subscripts when we can.
Okay. What? How will you be giving me money?
Last one, chloric acid. Look at the name. You already know. I got an acid to deal with. That means I'm going to make use of one of those 3 rules for naming acids.
Yep.
You don't even have to go through these steps. You already know it's an acid, so you already know it's molecular. You already know. You can see the ending. It. You have no prefix. So that means you're dealing with rule 3. That means you're dealing with an original ending of ATE. So chlorate, the original was chlorate.
Oh my goodness, Miss Coleman, I just got really cold up in here.
Originally was chlorate, so you go and look up chlorate. And when you look up chlorate, you get ClO3 1-.
I'm making a video so I can go home and show my mom.
You know the other part of an acid is always hydrogen. And it's 1+. When you cross multiply, you got 1 hydrogen to 1 chlorate. 1 to 1. That means the formula is just HClO3.
I know.
The formula of chloric acid, HClO3. Now, I've shown you how to do the rest of the packet. So now we need to be on page 8 in the packet. Page 8 in the packet now. Page 8.
Oh. Hey, why are you getting attitude?
I know it. Ms. Goldman, your attitude is bad today, okay? If I come to school with the attitude like yours, I would be sent to the office, like, immediately. If
I tried to get sent to the office. They never send me.
Oh, Ms. Coleman, go to the office.
They won't send me home either.
Ms. Coleman, go to the
Don't worry,
office.
because I'm going
I said I can't leave any earlier than 3:30 when the buses go.
No, Ms. Coleman,
Now,
you need to go home.
I want to tell him.
You need to go home and take a nap, okay? You are like my little sisters. You did not get enough sleep and you are grouchy. You need to go home and take a nap.
No, I got plenty of sleep. I just didn't get to visit my grandkids this past weekend.
Aw, so that made you in a bad mood, Mr. Coleman?
Probably.
Aw. He likes his grandkids. His grandkids make his weekend and his week.
All right, on page 8, you are to do 4 through 9.
Wait,
4 through 9.
Mr. Coleman, if one of your daughters live with you, how do you not see her grandkids, or does she not have any?
That's right. She doesn't have children. She can't afford children right now. She can't afford to support herself yet. Page 11.
So how many grandkids? Oh, you have 2 grandkids, and they both.
Page 11. On page 11, you have 2 sets.
But where do your
First
grandkids
set.
live?
St. George.
Where's St. George?
30 miles outside Orangeburg.
Where's Orange? Mr. Coleman, you be confusing me.
He travel all the way here.
Off of 95.
So that's like 2 hours away.
Basically, you take you exit 77.
I don't know where that is.
You're heading toward Florida.
So you going to Florida to see your kids?
I head toward Florida. I don't get to Florida. I go off at exit 77, off of 95. St. George.
So how long is that from here?
I know.
Takes me about an hour and 15 minutes.
They get here every morning. You so.
No, you were asking me how long it takes me to get to St. George.
No,
I thought that's where he said he lived.
No.
No, he goes to see his grandkids.
All right, 1 through 5 is the first set. 1 through 5.
1 through 5.
Second set, 11 through 15.
Miss Coleman, you're giving us too much work
11
now.
through 15. Second set.
We gotta do all this tonight?
No.
This is what you're going to start working on. You have today, this evening, tomorrow evening to get finished. But by the following day, you should be have gotten all my signatures.
Miss Coleman, you know.
I gave you 1 through 5 and 11 through 15 on page 11.
What about 21 through 30? We got any of those on?
Moving on to the next page you need to go to is page 13.
Miss Coleman, these are word problems.
This is the second set I told you where. Now you'll take the names and you'll figure the formulas. You know, the ones that you said were easier.
Well, yeah, they are, but it don't mean I want
Page
to do them.
13, starting on page 13, I'm assigning 1 through the top of the next page, 5. 1 through 5.
Well, so they're at the bottom of them.
Yeah.
Okay,
1 through 5.
I wasn't sure where they were.
Now on page 14, after 5, the second set
Hold up,
is
Mr.
11 to 15.
Oh, my Jesus, Mr. Coleman.
Second set on page 14 is 11 to 15.
11 through 15.
Okay. Now we're moving to page 16.
How many pages are in this packet, Mr. Coleman?
19.
Why you act like...
Page 16.
Oh, Miss Coleman.
On page 16, you only have to do 1 through 12.
Only 1 through 12. That's
some of these we've already done.
Miss Coleman.
Some of these we've already done. 1 through 12.
These, if we already...
We've already done.
Well, if we already did them, why are you giving them to us
Do them
again?
again if you've already done them, and you can find them in your notes.
Okay, well,
Now, moving on.
you didn't tell us that part, Mr. Coleman. You did
Just
not
did.
tell us that.
Page
You
19.
just did, but you didn't tell us
Page
before.
19.
You had me
Are you on
freaking out.
page 19?
I'm on page 19 now, but you had me
She's about
freaking
to
out.
change my mind about what I was about to assign.
Why you gonna give us
Girl,
less?
be quiet.
He's gonna give us less.
You have the even ones. On page 19, you have the even ones.
See, look, I got it lighter for us. Now we ain't got that much
You
work.
hush.
No, I was about to assign 1 to 10, but you have the even numbers.
See? Oh, because of me talking, being a mess, we got less problems. Y'all
No, you almost got more problems. But no, because you don't really aggravate me. So
see,
you have even numbers.
you just told
Now,
me
do
before.
not back up. Well, yeah.
And the
You probably could do the first set
Nah,
before leaving.
I'm gonna do that for homework. Not really.
You actually need to do at least the first 3 sets for homework.
Can we type this up, or do we need to write it out?
This is written out on the packet or on notebook paper. Your choice.
You have me fixing up my
I will check
folder.
for the first 3 sets, first class tomorrow to sign off.
please put hands in the
First 3 sets.
I said, yeah, your hands are dirty after what you just did in
That
your
will be what
ear.
I assigned on page 2, on
is
page 4,
gross.
and on page 6.
Can I please get these things, sir? Like, that's all you do.
See, y'all, no, Miss
2,
Coleman.
4, and
nah.
6 are the ones, those pages are what I'll check for our first class tomorrow, and you can work on some of the others in class.
Miss Coleman, you be giving us too much work.
Oh,
Why
I'm
don't-
not giving you too much work.
No, why don't you just give this to us, like, during class, like,
I did. I gave it to you during class.
not homework, okay? We got research papers and stuff we gotta do. I got an essay due on Veterans Day, due Wednesday. That's like 5 pages long. I got.
Finish that this weekend. since you
I
haven't
was
heard
just
about
giving it to us.
it. Just got it this morning?
No, last Friday.
Ah.
Miss Coleman, I was at the rodeo Saturday. I was cleaning my house Saturday.
Sounds
I
like
was
you could have done the essay while you were at the rodeo. Rough draft.
no,
Rough draft.
and then I was at my grandma's house all yesterday.
You ride?
Shit, what?
Rodeo, you ride.
Yeah, no.
So you were watching.
I was with my grandma's church and I had my
You were
3
watching.
No, I was in teen mom mode, Miss Coleman. I had my 3 little sisters I was watching, and that was a mess. Did you see the rodeo? There was like a bajillion people there, Miss Coleman. I could not be trying to ride
I don't
some
go to
movies.
rodeos anymore. My youngest daughter used to ride. That's what I
What?
He asked me if
What he saying?
His older, his
My youngest daughter used to ride.
in the rodeo. On horses, yeehaw. My little sister chased after the cow. She was stupid looking. You having fun?
I assume she's looking at a picture.
Of what? What?
Usually you have pictures or something on your phone and you're showing them when you talk about something.
I'm not talking about nothing, Miss Coleman.
You see my braid?
I was just telling you.
Look at my braid.
Ah, so you did not take pictures at the rodeo.
No, I didn't. Why are you all up in there?
Oh, my forehead looks so
Now.
big.
Any of you, for whatever reason, did not give me the Kim News, and
Hey, I did. Okay,
some of you still have not given me the,
child, you are leaning on my. Your boobs are putting pressure on my arm. Your boobs are putting pressure on my arm. That is not cool, Miss Coleman. Get her off me. Get her off me, Miss Coleman.
Oh.
Mr. Coleman just gave you a look of what?